Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, September 12th, 2024. Let's take a look at the charts. I am going to, I'll start with this one. We did not test channel support yet. I don't expect it. We don't show it anywhere today, but as you recall, there's a rising 1/3 speed line coming off that August low that today, I believe it's the 225.38 level, minor point only. Now we closed above it, back below it. We've been back above it the last couple of days. It's not significant. I do, though, see this market as constructive, into October, above the 198.64 to 208.75 region. We just have yet to actually test it. I don't know if we will. I will say this, that holding above 198.64, once again, will keep this 247.60 formation in reach over the next week or two, or some variation of that structure. Of course, if we were to test 198.64, it would be this trend line that would be the channel top in the lower 240s. But once again, holding above 198.64, 247.60 in reach over the next few weeks. Once we test 247.60, we could fall back to some variation of that 198.64 formation. That is the 2 to 3 week time frame. Now, upside, we have thrown in a session containment level at 230.59. And that is sort of a convergence, if you will. We have a short-term rising channel top, a 3 or 4 day channel top at 230.59. It also is roughly consistent with the 230.17 high settlement price from about a week ago. And so 230.59, I don't really want to encourage you to sell it. I don't want you to sell it on a 3 to 5 day basis. That's not what I'm talking about. This is just a day trade level. And it really does, if settled above, underscore our expectations for that 247.60 formation. I'd mentioned how holding above 198.64 will keep the upper 240s in reach over the next 1 to 2 weeks. And if we can close today above 230.59, we should, within 3 to 5 days or less, reach 247.60. So 230.59, I'll let you trade it as you like. It is a very tradable level for what I will call day traders, aggressive day traders. You can sell it. Now, given this outside day and higher settlement, high settlement for the week so far, you've got the Friday sell-off, Monday, Tuesday, higher, and Wednesday, higher yet. And so here we are. We had an outside day yesterday. We closed above Tuesday's high. That all points to upward trade. But, I cannot ignore 230.59 as an opportunity, as an opportunistic trade level. Let's put it that way. So you can sell it. Downside, what could you expect? Maybe 217.37. That will take you back into the low area from yesterday. I think that would be the extent of it. I do see this market as constructive now. Both the triple Q and SPY threw off signs of strength through the rest of September on Wednesday's close. You might check that out if you go to wickedstocks.com. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So closing above 230.59 is considered an eventuality. Whether it's today or over the next few days, it is considered an eventuality. And if we happen to push or open today above 230.59, 237 even is likely. And that is a 5/8 upside Fibonacci from that July high against the August low. But once again, closing above 230.59, it is get long, stay long, 3 to 5 day swing traders up to 247.60, where profits can be taken and a short sale made as the market could then fall away from the upper 240s into what is now the really kind of the upper 210s and climbing within a week or two. We could trade inside of this structure for the next couple of weeks. And this is really kind of the same structure here, but a different set of highs and lows. Talking downside, if you're bearish Tesla, there is only one place to sell it as we move through the rest of the week, and that is 230.59. I don't encourage selling 230.59 beyond just the day trade dynamic because of the overall upward emphasis I see near term, which is to say into next week, 247.60 in reach. But yes, continued daily settlements below this 230.59 formation will, yes, keep the 208.75 level in reach over the next couple of days. And yes, 198.64 in reach by the end of next week. So I don't know if we'll see that area or not. The only point that I can use for gauging that is 230.59. We can fall away from here, perhaps, but I wouldn't bank on it, so to speak. I would tread pretty lightly in this area because of the broader base buy signals that I see now in the SPY and the triple Q that should play out into later September. Holding below 230.59, 217.37 in reach today. Continued daily settlements below this 230.59 will keep 208.75 in reach over the next 2 to 3 days, potentially 198.64 by the end of next week. This band of channel support between 208.75 and 198.64 can absorb selling into October trade, and from here we can round up. In terms of the big picture, and this is the last thing I suppose I will say, 3 to 5 week dynamics turn bearish below 198.64, which is this formation here, but on a different chart. That tips the market south through October, really, because over the following 3 to 5 weeks, I would expect this descending 157.08 formation. So, in the next week or two, if we close below 198.64 and we close below 198.64, that is your get short opportunity on a 3 to 5 week basis. Until then, you can bottom pick 198.64 on kind of a 1 to 2 week swing basis back into the 240s. Now for the upside 3 to 5 week scenario, that would come with the 247.60 formation. A settlement above that would indicate 297.40 within 3 to 5 weeks. That is the big picture, but not until then. I don't see any reason to assume 297.40 to be a long-term objective until we close above 247.60. And I also don't expect to see, the descending channel bottom, where are you? Here at 157.08 unless we close below 198.64. Until then, it is a buy the upper 190s, sell the upper 240s dynamic as we continue through the rest of September. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. You'll see our daily triple Q, our daily SPY analysis for free for 5 days. Our stock picks. We'll be putting another one out today. That is Thursday. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll be back tomorrow with Friday's Tesla report. You have a great day.